In this video, I will show you how you can change the system language on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, and the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Over here, just tap on Language, then tap on Add Language. Now from this languages list, just select the language which you want to set on your Samsung phone. For example, I will select this language. Now you can either keep the current language as the default language and you can add the selected language to this languages list, or you can set the selected language as the default language of your Samsung phone. I will set it as the default language, and as you can see, we have successfully changed the default language of our Samsung device. Now if we go back to the languages settings, as you can see, the second language has been added to this list. Now you can add much more languages to this list. For an example, I will add this language. Now to switch between the languages, just select the language which you want to set just like that. Then tap on Apply, and by doing that you will change the language back to the default language. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.